What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today's day 20 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, basically every single day for the month of June, I'll be posting a new productivity challenge to help you get your life together. So I will leave in the series playlist down below so you can click it and check it out, see what challenges have passed by, and maybe you can even start now if you want. It's never too late to start, really. So before I share with you my productivity challenge for today, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is my only social media and there's so much exclusive lifestyle content over there. Also, I have been loving reading your messages and all of you sliding into my DMs and letting me know what's up, how this challenge is helping you. It really means so much to me, so thank you. Okay, so today's tip is to put pause on this video and go around your room right now, or your house or your apartment or wherever, and you're gonna get rid of 20 things. If you can't do 20 today, do 10. It may seem so easy in your mind, but when you actually look around your room, you really have no idea what 20 things you're going to be getting rid of. So many times in life, we hoard so many unnecessary things that we think have sentimental value, but if they're gone, we wouldn't even realize it's gone. I feel like if this relates to my life so much that I just keep hoarding unnecessary crap. And I really want to use this challenge to help me clean out my space and clear up that, negative energy in my life, give away things that I don't really want. Oh, I almost dabbed there. Was it like that? I can't even remember. But I'm so excited to see what I find. This is also a great practice to do every few months. So just go through your room and just get rid of 20 things, and that definitely is going to clear the energy and clear the space for more good things and more positive things to come into your life. So I'm really excited about this challenge. I'm looking around my room right now and I'm having no idea what I'm getting rid of, so that kind of freaks me out. But oh, that hair flip though. I'm doing this challenge with you. I am going to hit pause and go through my room right now and see the things that I want to give away. And like they say, things that do not spark joy in my life anymore, and things that are really just old and I'm attached to for some weird reason, but I can definitely say goodbye to. So I am hitting pause, going to cue in that voiceover and show you guys my 20 things that I'm getting rid of. Okay, so this is kind of challenging, I'm not gonna lie. You would think it's easy to find 10 things or 20 things that you want to give away in your room, but girl, I'm not really sure at this point in time, but we're gonna keep going. Also, I don't have any makeup, so don't judge me. Okay, so I'm looking around my room to see things that I want to give away. One of the first things that I want to give away is this. It's really old and I don't know, I just don't need it anymore, so this is going in my giveaway pile. So I've had these flowers for a really long time. Oh my god, is this an eyelash? So awkward. But I think that I want to give it away now and give my vanity area like a new look. I really like these and I was attached to them for a really long time, but I feel like if I can just have something nicer on my vanity area. I have this old candle. The bottle is obviously like smoked up and stuff, so I'm giving away, throwing away this, giving away these so far. So I'll just put like 2 piles. So I have 1, 2, 3 sets of things here right now. I also had Smashbox like PR package from an event I went to a really long time ago, but I think it's time to give this away. I'm kind of tossed up about the flowers, so I think I'll keep the flowers and then give away, well, throw away the Smashbox box. Okay, so we are back with some things that are throwing away. So throwing away this because it's gotten really old. I have this old box in here which was from a PR package. It was just like lingering in my room, so I'm throwing away this as well. Then I have this box that some cute like lip balms came in. I was really hoarding it because of how pretty the box looks, but it's time to throw this away because it has no purpose. And then I have this old string decor. So I have this, it's gotten really old. And then of course my Smashbox, and then I have the candles. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and number 10, this on my wall. So I've had this for a really long time on my wall. It's really cute, I love it. I also showed it in one of my videos, but it's gotten old now and I have to actually peel off all of these things, as you can see, and I want to just change over this entire wall and put something else on it. But obviously I can't pull this all off in this video right now because it's going to take me a while, but I'll definitely be working on it. I'll make sure it comes off because it's actually washi tape, so it's going to come off pretty easily, but it's just going to take a while. So this is the 10th thing that I'll be getting rid of in this vlog. That was actually so much harder than I thought it was. I was literally struggling to find 10 things, so I didn't do 20 this time because 10 was all that I could manage, but it's really definitely a challenge, I would let you know. But it feels so good when you declutter at least 10 things. I feel like if I want to like take this to the next level and actually like really declutter 10 things like every month or something like that, because you never know what you have really hoarding up. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we are back, and you saw the things that I am giving away, throwing away, and just getting rid of in my life, and just clearing some space, giving my room some more space for positive things to come into my life. Comment down below and let me know some of the things that you are throwing away and just giving away or just getting rid of. I would love to know. I love hearing about your progress and about your journey. I think it's amazing that we have this community of people who are just trying to get their lives together and just live the best life that they can. So I can't wait to read what you're giving away. So if you can't do this challenge today, don't feel overwhelmed. Definitely feel free to schedule it into your life where it will fit and where you can do it. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you are looking forward to the rest of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye! Mwah.